All right guys, we're here at the wash. Early morning, first check, walk around. Notice I got a 2-inch vac claw and coupling off. So I'm just gonna do a quick video here, show you how to get that installed properly. All right guys, we're gonna do a simple 2-inch cuff claw install on a vac hose here. So the easiest way to put these together is the unthreaded side of the swivel coupling, we're gonna slide that claw in. Now look, this is not installed correctly. We want to push this down to this lip. This lip should seat against that cuff. So what I like to do is I put it on the concrete pad here, push down and wiggle side to side, just slightly. Now you can see that's the whole way down. That's fully installed there. Okay, swivel still works, right? Claws in there nice and tight, that's not coming out. So then we're gonna grab our hose. Now remember, these hoses, this outside ribbing is actually threads, and this coupling is threaded on the inside. Now it's reverse threads, meaning lefty tighty, righty loosey. So I'm gonna take that coupling, I'm gonna push it in till I feel it click, and then I'm going to spin it like I'm trying to take it off, or counterclockwise, until I feel that get tight. That is not coming apart, guys. All right, so that's how you properly install a 2-inch claw into a 2-inch swivel coupling onto your 2-inch vac hose. All right guys, that's going to wrap up the 2-inch coupling and claw install on our 2-inch vac hose. If you guys have any questions about vac hose, couplings, attachments, or anything else to do with your vacuum, give us a call at Kleen-Rite or drop a comment below. We'll help you out the best that we can. And remember, this job doesn't have to suck, but your vacuum should.